Hey guys, I am doing a video here on Avalanche, the Avalanche cryptocurrency, which is a cryptocurrency that's that you can buy, and I believe that it's going to uh, help investors make a lot of money in 2024. Um, if we look at the CoinMarketCap website here, coinmarketcap.com. You can see some of the top cryptocurrencies here, with Bitcoin being number one with a market cap of $837 billion. Scrolling down here, past Solana, past Ripple, past Cardano, you see that Avalanche AVAX coin is at the number 9 spot, trading at $34.15 right now. And it has a market cap of about $12.5 billion. Okay. If I click on the Avalanche coin here, you can see that AVAX or Avalanche has a price chart here, and it's traded down. Recently was as high as about $36 yesterday, and right now this past month, looking at AVAX, it got as high as well, that's January 2011. Let me see. I'm sorry. Looking at here, we have AVAX was trading as high back in December of 2023. We can see that it traded up to like $47. I think it got as high as about $50 on Coinbase. And what has it done before that? I gave a price target that AVAX could go as high as $147, and that's because back here in 2021, you can see that AVAX was trading as high as about $140 back in November of 2021. And it took a hit during the crypto bear market that we had in 2022. It was trading as low as about $10, $11. I think I've seen as low as back here in 2023, in October of 2023, traded at $8.90. But right now it's recovering, and it's in the $30 range here. Okay. And just scrolling down here some more. Where could you buy Avalanche if you wanted to get into AVAX? You could buy it here on these exchanges. If you're a U.S. investor, Coinbase is a good exchange that you can buy Avalanche on. Also, another exchange in the U.S. that U.S. investors can buy Avalanche is Kraken. But there's also some other notable exchanges here, such as Binance is a big exchange, KuCoin, Bybit, various exchanges you can buy Avalanche. If you're a cryptocurrency investor, you probably heard about these exchanges. If you're new to cryptocurrency and you're a U.S. investor, I would suggest going to Coinbase and Kraken to get your Avalanche if you're interested in buying this cryptocurrency coin. Let's learn a little bit more about Avalanche here. Right here, we can see that AVAX is a layer 1 blockchain. It tries to it is one of Ethereum's rivals, and is aiming to unseat Ethereum as the most popular blockchain for smart contracts. It aims to do this by having a higher transaction output of about 6,500 transactions per second, while not compromising its scalability. Now, how does it do that? Okay, this is made possible because Avalanche uses 3 individual blockchains. One's the X chain, then the second one is the C chain, and the third one is the P chain. And each chain has a distinct purpose, which is different from the approach that Bitcoin and Ethereum use, and they have nodes that validate all the transactions. Avalanche blockchains even use different consensus mechanisms based on their use cases. It says right here, after its mainnet launch in 2020, that's when Avalanche came out. Avalanche has worked on developing its own ecosystem of DApps and DeFi, decentralized finance. There's some different Ethereum-based projects such as SushiSwap and TrueUSD that have integrated with Avalanche. And this is furthermore, the platform is constantly working on improving interoperability between its own ecosystem and Ethereum through the development of bridges. Now, who created Avalanche? Okay, Avalanche was launched by AVAX, which was founded by a Cornell University professor by the name of, I can't really say that name, but Eamon Sierra, and a computer scientist with a PhD. His name is Kevin Secchi, and Mofan. I can't really pronounce these guys' names, but some computer professors from college professors have created this cryptocurrency, and we can see that just reading through here that from the research from their white paper that they led the foundation of the Ava Labs in 2018. The project did a little seed round here in February 2019, and then they were able to do their ICO, initial coin offering, in 2020, and they were able to raise about $42 million in the process to help get them started. Okay, now we'll just read about what makes Avalanche unique. I did mention there's 3 different kind of chains, blockchains on the Avalanche chain, and what those chains do is now it's called the blockchain trilemma. You know, they have the X chain, okay, is employed to create an exchange similar to ERC-20 tokens, and it uses the Avalanche consensus mechanism. And then there's a C chain, which is the contract chain, which hosts smart contracts and decentralized applications. And it uses the Snowman consensus mechanism. And then there's the platform chain, P chain, which coordinates the validators and tracks the active subnets and enables the creation of new subnets. Subnets are sets of validators and sort of like a validator. And what is a validator? Validators just they're like cryptocurrency mining entities. Anybody can be a validator. You just have to have some Avalanche, and you have to stake it on the chain. And then you use your Avalanche to then confirm other transactions that come in, and that's how the cryptocurrency is able to see that transactions were made and how much was transacted, and it keeps the cryptocurrency going. So validators are very important to have on these smart contract blockchains such as Avalanche. So we're just reading down here how many Avalanche coins are there in circulation. There's a total supply of 720 million AVAX coins. I think we already went over like where you can buy Avalanche, Binance, Bitfinance, Gate.io, KuCoin, Coinbase, and Kraken are some cryptocurrency exchanges where you could buy Avalanche. Yeah, let's move on to the Avalanche website and why I think this is a unique cryptocurrency, and why I think investors are going to be able to make a lot of money with Avalanche. So this is the Avalanche website. You can go on to avax.network, and this is what you'll see if you put that in your web browser and you search for it. And what does Avalanche have to offer? Well, Avalanche has, besides the DeFi finance and the other things that I mentioned, they also have NFTs. If I click here, you can see some of the art that they're trying to create with Avalanche and NFTs. They have they're trying to create a platform where artists can get together and share their artwork with this AVAX. Okay. That's a platform that they're trying to create to help share NFTs and share artwork on the platform. And then you have this Mona Lisa collection. And then they also have Avalanche Park events. Okay. I am more interested in not the NFTs, but I am interested in what Avalanche can do with gaming, because there's a few video games that are coming out with Avalanche. So here we have gaming on Avalanche. Okay. And why would a game developer choose Avalanche? You can click on that and understand and find out why Avalanche is good for game developers. But they just mention right here that there's some seamless gameplay. You have frictionless onboarding, native wallets, and cryptocurrency ecosystems. It's built for millions of players with the transactions per second being like 6,500 transactions per second. You can you never have to worry about bandwidth when you're building your cryptocurrency game on Avalanche. And then you also have these player-owned economies. These built-in economies using the AVAX coin. You'll have different kinds of economies inside the video game itself. But let's look at the titles here, some of the gaming titles that are coming out. Here's some of the games that you can see on Avalanche. Okay. And I mean, so many games here. Shrapnel looks like a pretty good game. Off the Grid. There's some basic fun video games here like Portal Fantasy and Paradise Tycoon. I'm going to try to show you some of these games here. This was Shrapnel. This is the YouTube video here for Shrapnel. I'll just let it go for a second here.
Now value. Segment detected 1.2 million. Alert.
You can see that the graphics are pretty good. It's like a fun video game to play.
Sigma. Instruction E60. 59. 58.
Well, that is just one of the games that you can find on the Avalanche platform. Some other games besides Shrapnel, which was the one that we just seen. Off the Grid. Here's another trailer for that one.
Getting in a car wreck is the worst. Between the doctor bills, medical visits, car repairs, it makes it impossible.
This right here is Off the Grid. Another Avalanche video
What's up,
game.
Cobra fans? Welcome to Cobra's Corner. Is this for real? Yes, Black Sabbath. 3 huge game developers have gotten together to create the ultimate gaming experience. The top video game players in the world. Are they any good in real-life battle royale type situation? Not this, but actually this.
So yeah, once again, another game. Some more games that you can find on Avalanche. It will be like another one is Fableborn. I won't go through the trail on that one, but I'm just gonna start listing them off. Another one here, DeFi Kingdoms. What else? What else? We already seen Shrapnel, Off the Grid, Providence. This one also has some really good graphics. I'll just click on that real quick here. and we can see what the trailer looks like for this. So these games, they're going to have their own player-driven economies, made possible by the AVAX Avalanche blockchain, where players can use their AVAX that they buy on exchanges to then do in-game purchases, so they can upgrade their characters, change their skin colors on their favorite characters and avatars, and just be able to use these purchases that they make to trade with other players, and also trade and use AVAX coin. The key thing to take from these video games that are being created on the AVAX blockchain is that this is just going to create more people, more users, more user adoption, where people are using the blockchain, and it makes AVAX that much more valuable if we have more people using the AVAX blockchain. And I'm just looking at some more games here. Pulsar is another game. All these games are going to be coming out in the next year or two, later on in 2024. And I think if you can see the potential for these games and the investment potential here, you can see that AVAX is going to be a valuable cryptocurrency going here in the future, especially for video gamers. I just want to show the AVAX chart here real quick one more time. You can see here on the daily chart that AVAX got up to like $50 here on the Coinbase exchange, and that was back in December, Christmas Eve of 2023. Right now, it's trading at $34, and I mean, if for those who do technical analysis here, I mean, this looks like right here, this looks like an inverse shoulder pattern. You got the shoulder and then the head, and then it looks like we're trying to create another shoulder here, which could then send us to, that is a bullish pattern, which could send us to higher prices. I think we could see AVAX get up to about $40 later on in February, if Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrencies are going up in value as well. I could see that AVAX could be trading at $40, possibly getting up to $50 later on in March and April this year, which is probably when those video games will be coming out, just in time for those video games to be coming out. And like I said, AVAX was trading. If we can get past the $40 and $50 level, I see some resistance here at like $70 is probably where AVAX is going to want to trade next. But we could then see AVAX get up to about $130, $140, I believe, later on in 2024, which is where the all-time high of AVAX was trading at about $147. That was around November of 2021. So I believe we can get back up to those levels again here in 2024 and possibly go higher than that into 2025. We might see AVAX get up to like $300. How about that for a price target? But yeah, a lot of good things coming ahead for the Avalanche cryptocurrency. It's not just a video game coin, but with all these video games, it's going to create more user adoption. You got the NFTs, you got the DeFi, you got the smart contracts, you got 6,500 transactions per second. All good stuff, and they're also going to be making the cryptocurrency faster as the months and weeks go by here. So yeah, if this was a good video on AVAX, go ahead and share this with your friends and family, so they can understand why AVAX might be a good cryptocurrency to get into. Go ahead and like this video if you haven't liked it already. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I am Damien, and this has been another video on the Meet Damien channel. I'm not a disclaimer, quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't know your personal situation. Please talk to a financial advisor before you make any investment decisions based on the content that was in this video. This video is mainly for education purposes, so people can understand what AVAX is and where they can buy AVAX and that sort of thing. But yeah, I look forward to making more videos like this. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so that way you can be alerted as to when I make another video on a cryptocurrency. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I look forward to seeing you guys again on another cryptocurrency stream. Okay, guys, take care.